muscles, movement. Okay, muscles and movement, or muscles and movement. Okay. So next, skeletal system. Skeletal system start with S. So remember, it supports. Okay, muscular movement, skeletal supports. You can see here muscular, how it allows the movement of the body parts. Skeleton, it supports the body and protects important organs. So you remember, support and protects. Okay, it also makes blood cells. Okay, it's responsible for the bone marrow to make your RBC, to make blood cells, right? So muscular and movement, skeleton and support the body systems. Body or protects the important organs and make blood cells. Respiratory, of course, when I say respiratory, it's very easy for you all because this is the system which is easier to learn. You know, it's all about lungs, and when I say about lungs, you remember what you exhale out and what you what you exhale inside, exhale outside and exhale inside. You give out carbon dioxide and you take in oxygen from the pollens. So respiratory system gathers oxygen from the environment and get rid of carbon dioxide. That's a waste form for us. Our cells don't need CO2. Our body don't need CO2. So what you have to do, you have to exhale it out. Okay? So we are taking in oxygen, and our lungs, when it takes oxygen, the heart functions because of taking enough oxygen, giving blood oxygen, and then again exhaling out carbon dioxide with excreting carbon dioxide through cells of the body. So please, you can turn to page 6 and underline these in your book, because as you read about the body system on these pages, underline the main function. Muscular movement, skeletal support. It's made up of bones, ligaments, and cartilage. Further in my class, I will tell you about the ligaments and cartilage. Simple, when I say cartilage, you can remember the soft muscles of your soft bones or muscles of your ear and nose, how soft they are. Touch and see they are very soft. Anyways, and ligaments are the one which join the bones, like between elbow, you can have that ligament. Any joints. So it supports the body and protects important organs. Respiratory gathers oxygen from the environment and gets rid of carbon dioxide from the body. Now lastly, what do body systems do? We have male reproductive system. Last term, the whole book almost was about male reproductive, female reproductive, and so yes. So male, it produces sperm. Female, it produces eggs. We have studied a lot about it. That's why I will not make stress over these points. Male reproductive organ produces sperms and delivers it to the female reproductive system. And this one nourishes a developing fetus. Fetus means a small embryo. Before an embryo, it forms fetus. Okay. So now, lastly, what is cardio? The word cardio, you will go to the doctor and you will remember. Whenever you say that cardiologist, it means it's heart, the doctor of heart. When I say cardiovascular exercises, those exercises which gives you, your heartbeat increases, everything related with heart, it's cardiovascular. It moves blood through the body. Your heart is like a pump. It gives blood throughout the body. So we have studied about 6 systems today. Again, MRS, that is muscular, skeletal, and respiratory. Next, we studied about male reproductive system, female reproductive system, and cardiovascular system. And you can see here, this produces sperm and delivers it to female, and this produces egg. So this is for my class today, and I hope you understood my class, and I will just email you what to write, and you'll be completing your books. Thank you so much, girls, for today.